For the proper channels to be activated so that this power can become active, meaning your chakras, it has to be exercised through meditation, proper diet, discipline, and certain daily rituals that will attune you with your natural supreme state in which humans was originally created. With this, humans was given certain faculties that enable us to keep in tune through our glands, which are located in the 7 areas in the body known as the chakra seats: the crown, the brow, the throat, the heart, the solar plexus, spleen or navel, the root or basic seat. The chakra or seat is a faculty that the great mother of eternal creation has bestowed upon us. Senses to help us stay in tune with the spiritual world. There is the ear, not the physical ear for hearing, but the ear for inner hearing. There is an eye, not the physical eye for seeing, but the eye for inner seeing, known as the third eye. This name was attributed to the inner seeing by the elders in association to using insight or the spiritual light, which was exercised by the great mother of eternal creation from the very, very beginning. Ancient spiritual healers, learnt women and men, teachers and loyal devotees of mystic schools also had knowledge of the third eye, and the light has been identified under such names as a virtue, vital energy, invisible antenna, and a stream of vital power, cosmic energy. The ancient Egyptians identified with the third eye, and the third eye was made visible throughout their culture and further referred to as the sleeping serpent. The Hindus call it the Kundalini. The third eye is your insight or your inner sense that all humans were born with, but most have never exercised. This is the sleeping power that one must strengthen. When the third eye is used, the whole entire body is consumed with light, meaning the etheric body and the physical body alike is attuned with each other. Please all keep this in mind. Love yourselves, get in tune with your individual selves, and then work on getting in tune with others. Show love, spread love. Be that positive light in somebody's life. Love yourself. Most of all, love nature and cherish her. Take care.